everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Little Duchess Craft Hub, and we specialize in making dresses for pretty girls. Today we'll be making a dress for an 8-year-old girl, and for this dress we'll be needing a lace fabric of 1 yard, a bridal satin 2 yards, a lining 1.5 yard, 6 yards of tulle, a crinoline 1 inch, a matching thread and zip. For the upper body, we'll be needing 1/2 yard fabric, and we'll fold it into 2 and then into 4, like this. Using this line as a guideline, this is where we'll be putting the shoulder measurement. Make sure you leave 1 inch for the zipper allowance. This is the 1 inch. We folded into 4 because we're cutting both the front and back and front pattern at once. Shoulder measurements for an 8-year-old girl. So the shoulder measurement is 13 divided by 2. That's 6.5. So put at 6.5 here for the shoulder. That's the shoulder measurement. 13 for the half, the length of the body. Add 1 inch for seaming allowance. That's 14. We put that down here. The armhole is 13. You come up from the angle with 1 inch and then come. For the bust, our bust measurement is 33 divided by 4. You get 8.25. Don't forget to add 1 inch for seaming allowance. Our waist is same as the bust measurement. 8.25 and 1 inch for seaming. Connect it. For the shoulder, I'm going to be slanting it. Let's add our neck. For the neckline, we're taking 3-inch depth and then we'll connect it. This is for the front body. The back body will take 1-inch depth. I'm going to be cutting this out. This is what we have. The front, and that's what we have. We'll be cutting our lace fabric and the interface, the bridal satin with this pattern that I've just made. Lace fabric, and we'll pin down. Cut. Now it's time to make the down part of our dress, the skirt part. And for that, we'll be folding our 2 yards of satin fabric into two, like this, into two. And then we'll give it another fold. And then we'll fold it like a triangle. And we get 5.3. So measure 5.3 here. All the way around. I can arc. And then we join it. The full length of the dress is 36. And when we subtract our half length, which is 13, from the 36, we'll have 23 inches. So we're going to be marking 23 inches all round. After marking 23 inches, we connect it and cut. After that, you just slit it open. This one will be what next. We'll bring our tool folded. As you can see, my tool is already folded. And then you measure the length of the dress. After you subtract the upper body, we have 23. So I'll be adding 2 inches to the 23. But before that, we have to cut off this edge to make sure it's even. Put this one and cut again, making it 2 layers. Then we take this to our sewing machine and draw a gathered stitch all around. Okay, for the flung design in front of our dress, we'll be using 2 yards of tulle net folded like this. And this flung is going to be about 20 inch. So you just measure 20 inch from the top. Measure it all round. I'm going to be cutting a circle out of this. That's how we do that. We just cut it out. After cutting this, we find out that we'll have a circle. We're going to be sewing this 1 inch freeloading to the edge all the way around. I'm going to be sewing it to the edge of this circle all the way around. So we'll be taking this to our sewing machine to sew. This is what we get after cutting the lace fabric. This is the bridal satin, and then this is the lining that we're going to use to lining the clothes. This is the back, the front, and this is the back. So we're going to be taking this to our sewing machine. Make sure that the bridal satin is facing the right side, like this. The lace fabric will be on top, and then the lining, we'll be using the lining to turn this like this. So when you are sewing, I'm going to be placing it like this to sew. When we are sewing, we take it like this. When you are done sewing, turn. So I'll be taking this to my sewing machine, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. After sewing the upper bodies, this is what we got. This is the front part, and these two at the back parts should be joined with a zip to make it one piece. So for the sewing, this is how we made it. I placed the bridal satin underneath the lace fabric and used the lining to turn using 0.5 inch all around the neck. Don't forget to notch his little cuts. Make sure you don't cut the seam while cutting it. Make sure you are careful enough not to cut the seam. Give it a notch. I will actually notch it so that at the time we turn, the neckline will be well relaxed. So give it a little cut like this, and then you flip over like this, and this is what you get. What you do now is take it to your ironing board and give it a good press down so that it will be relaxed. I did the same for this piece. This is it. I gave it a little notch and then turn. Note that the shining part of the bridal satin will be facing the lace fabric like this. Before you turn, you sew and turn with the lining to get this look. So I've done that for this part also. Next, we're going to be going to our sewing machine to place the shoulders. I'm about to sew the shoulders together. So I will place the shoulder of the back panel and that of the front together like this. Bridal satin lace be on one part sewn together like this, and the linings will be on this part. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and sew this way. I'll do same for the other side. This is what I got from sewing the shoulders. These are the shoulders. I joined one back shoulder to the front panel shoulder, this, and then the other side is joined like this, back panel to front panel. Get this, look at it, and the linings together, bridal satin and lace on top each other together, sewn on half an inch by the shoulders, and then we get this. Let me show you so that you understand it properly. So next we'll be taking this to our sewing machine, and then we'll join the armholes together. And join the armholes together, take the lining in like this, and sew using the lining to turn the lace and bridal satin. So you sew this way and sew this way. You do that for this shoulder and this armhole and this armhole. So I will be taking this to my sewing machine now. So the way it's placed, the wrong side out, right side in. Take it and sew round. Do the same for the other armhole. Sew round. Now we have done sewing the ample area, as you can see, and I gave a little cut notches. I cut it through a little so that when we turn our dress, ample area will be relaxed. What I'm doing here, I'm notching the other side. Just give it a little cut. Make sure it does not touch your seam. Be careful when giving this notch. After cutting through, as you can see, this is the back side. We have to turn the dress inside out to reveal the front part of the dress. To achieve that, just turn it like this. Turn it like this. This is the part.
Cut.
You do same for the other side. Turn it inside out. Look at it. Look at. When you are done turning, you see the way to look. It's come out like this. After turning, we give it a good press to be relaxed. Nice. Back.
Sure.